Hi there, good evening. It's great to have you with us tonight at 10. I'm Dylan Valencia. We start tonight over in Freeport following a community conversation on immigration and also what it could mean for families right here in our area. For the latest, our Bailey Bozen, she was at that meeting, joins us now live in studio. Bailey, good evening to you. This discussion comes amid a massive immigration enforcement blitz across our state. What were community members and local leaders saying tonight?
Well, Dylan, tonight's presentation, hosted by the League of Women Voters at the Freeport Public Library, covered immigration law history, reminding attendees what their rights are when it comes to the laws.
Everyone has an opinion about immigration, right? But so few Americans really understand what our laws are. So if we're going to have a national debate, which we do need to have on immigration, first we have to understand what our system is and what it is not.
Sara Dady, an immigration attorney from Rockford, held a presentation called A Failing Immigration System.
If we want to be empowered voters, if we want to be engaged in our own country and how it runs, we need to be informed. And immigration is the issue of the day. It's the headline on every story, but so few of us really understand what our system is and how it works.
She adds those going through the United States immigration system or who plan to in the future need to be prepared.
They need to understand the pitfalls and the obstacles, and that in fact there is not a lane for everyone to get in to apply for legal status in this country.
Dady highlighting on what she says are common misconceptions she hears.
Whenever I hear people should do it the right way, people do want to do it the right way. People want to apply for a green card, but our system doesn't have a lane for them to get into. The second thing I hear is, well, we can't pass immigration reform because then that would allow people to cut in line. They aren't even in line. There is no line for them. I hear all the time, my ancestors came over the right way, my grandparents came over the right way. Your grandparents didn't need an immigration lawyer. That should tell any American all they need to know about our immigration system. If you need a lawyer, it's hard, it's complicated.
Dady recommends anyone interested in obtaining more information on immigration status rights to visit icrr.org, which is located right on the bottom of your screen. Back over to you, Dylan.
All right, Bailey, thank you for that.